The 2018 Roush Super Duty Package. Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford, your Roush certified dealer in Salina, Kansas, bringing you the off-road package for the Super Duty. Now, Roush has been doing this for several years for the F-150. Now they've stepped up the game and they're doing it with the Super Duty as well. So in this video, we're going to go over all the core components on all your Roush Super Duty packages, and then we're going to talk about some different optional equipment as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Now here at the front, you're going to see it's going to have the Roush front grille over here. Now this is specific to Roush. They created this. Also does have your accent lighting up here on the top of that. So that is their design, and it's a real nice look to the truck here. Gives it that kind of that Raptor look with their own little flair to it. Also, you're going to get your front bumper cover up here, and it is going to be compatible with your adaptive cruise control. So if you get that adaptive cruise on your truck and you want to make sure it works with it, not to worry, it is going to be compatible with your that front adaptive cruise control settings. And then up here you're going to see the hood graphics. So real nice hood graphics, nice black vinyl hood graphics up here. Also on the windshield banner you're going to see a much bigger Roush front banner up there on that windshield as well. Now let's talk about the suspension system. It does have the Fox 2.0 Performance Series suspension system with 1.5-inch level kit. So it does bring the front end up there, and with that suspension system, you're going to have a great ride just like you would see on the Raptor. Also, it's going to come with these nice painted to match fender flares here with the clearance lighting. The front ones will have the amber, and the back ones will get those red clearance lighting back there. And then you're going to have the really nice 20-inch Roush wheels with the bead lock protection. Also does have your gray and black rings around the outside, and you're going to get your chrome lug nuts and a great tire to go along with it. BFGoodrich all-terrain tire that's going to handle any of that off-roading you might want to do to it. Now around here you're going to see this stripe that's here down the bottom. This is really nice. It's a matte black finish, and it's going to have an accent color. In this case it's the silver, which is the same color as your bedside decal is going to be, and it's pretty much about the same size you're going to see on that windshield across there. So you're going to get 3 of these, one on each side of the bed and one on that windshield. And then you're going to see that matte black finish American flag emblem decal back here that you're seeing on a lot of the other Roush Mustangs as well as the Roush trucks. Then moving to the back, you're going to see the graphics back here. You're going to see your Roush with that accent color as well as the accent stripe across the top of the matte black finish here. You're also going to get your Roush license plate and license plate bracket. And you're going to get your Hitch receiver cover there. So with that R emblem right there, so that's also going to be included as standard equipment here. This actually does have the power stroke, so you're going to see that same sticker up here in the accent color. And then you're going to also get the Roush exhaust that's available on your diesel only engine. So real nice exhaust tips back here that just gives it that nice Roush feel to it that I think you normally expect. Now moving inside, you're going to get a couple things in here as well, including the Roush embroidered headrest. So these are really nice embroidered headrests that Roush puts on the trucks. Also you're going to get your all-weather liners, your floor liners that have the Roush in them as well. So you're going to get them for the footwells for the front seats as well as the back that goes clear across the back seat. And then to finish it off, you're going to get your console badge up here as well that gives you the serial number for this one. So you're going to see that Roush Super Duty. This one happens to be number 43 in the series for the Super Duty off-road package. So that's all your core components of the Roush Super Duty package. There are some optional equipment you can get as well. There's 3 great options, and one of those is where you're able to customize the graphics a little bit. So as you're seeing with this is a standard graphics, but you can get a side stripe, which is a really nice stripe that comes across the doors and through the back of the bed, and then you're going to see it on the back of the tailgate as well. And when you do that, you have some options with this Roush decal back here. You can either just take it off completely, or I've seen some people put it down here in the black part on the side rocker as well. So a couple different things that you can do with that optional graphic there on the side. You can also get a toolkit. So it's a Super Duty off-road toolkit. That's some accessories in there, makes it a little bit easier, especially changing out your wheels and tires and different things like that. Also, you can get a lockable console vault as well. So that makes it real handy being able to lock some things in there if you want to. So those are 3 great options that are available on a lot of your Roush vehicles. Now the graphics, sometimes we might switch that up, but the other 2 we typically don't always order those. I think 1 or 2 of those might be a late availability. I'm not sure if it's available yet, but those are some options that are showing up on Roush's website there. Now everything we've talked about here, all the core components as well as the optional equipment, those are all covered under Roush's warranty. So it's a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty that they cover on all their components. So you're going to cover it from Ford on all the Ford factory components, and then all the Roush components, Roush is going to cover those. And we love working with Roush because they do a great job of warrantying everything, and they work real closely with Ford to make sure everything is in spec and it's going to work out just right. So I think you'll really be pleased with different warranty plans that go on with that. So I think you really like that. Now, if you want to check out some of our inventory on these Roush pickups, go ahead and go to our Long McArthur page, longmacarthur.com. There on that page, you're going to see several different ways to get to that. We do have a aftermarket section where you're going to see the different packages that we offer, including this package here, and then you can also see the inventory right there. You can also go under the new inventory, and you're going to see that off-road truck inventory. You're going to, all of our Super Duties will be in there, as well as our other Roush F-150s too. So definitely check that out. On each one of our vehicles, you can check for availability, schedule test drive. You can see pictures. This video will be on there. You'll see a 360-degree inside and out view, virtual reality walk around, is what we like to call it, there on our website. And you're also going to see our great internet price. Now, on all the Roush vehicles, Roush requires us to sell every vehicle a sticker minus rebate. But one of the things that we're able to do on all of our Roush vehicles is we'll throw in free shipping for you. So if you do want to get a Roush vehicle, that's something that we provide a lot of the Roush dealers don't provide. So even if you're from out of state, we'll do free shipping for you, ship this right to your door. So I think you'll find it real nice and easy to work with there. So if you have any questions, don't forget you can call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget, if you're watching this on our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified the next time we have a new video uploaded to our YouTube channel.